Hello everyone, welcome to the food production class. In this video, we're going to learn and discuss about the charcuterie, okay, and also we will discuss about the sausage. The charcuterie is all about the cold meat preparation, where there are many kind of preparation and the cuts and how to do preparation of the cold meat in different styles. All comes under charcuterie. So here in this video, we will talk about the sausage. First, we'll just introduction about the charcuterie. Charcuterie is the branch of cooking devoted to prepare the meat products. As I earlier said, that meat products are cold meat products, just like the meat products like sausage, or which is usually made from the pork. The practice goes back to the ancient times, where earlier where that winters came, especially in the Western European culture, when winter came, where the shortage of foods will be there. So what they do, they prepare the meat products in that way, so they can use after the 2-3 months later in the winter section. Okay, so that's why the charcuterie came out, means we prepared the food, could be a frozen, and they can use in the later on. So that's the charcuterie, or you can say the cold meat products are invented. Okay, so the practice, as I said already, goes back to the ancient times and can involve the chemical preservation of meat. It also means that the various meat scraps, hams, smoked, air cured, salted, treated meat products are the example of the charcuterie. The French word for a person who prepares charcuterie is called charcuterie, and that are generally translated into the pork butcher. Okay, so that lead to sometimes mistaken that charcuterie only involve the pork. No, that's involve basically a meat products like pate, roldos, galatine, okay, mousseline, which are made from the delications means wherever the style of preparation are very different. Okay, so that is all a charcuterie. Now we will discuss about the sausages. A simple definition of sausage means the chorus finally. Okay, communicated means the meat could be diced or could be ground, chopped, or emulsified with other ingredients. Okay, the meat product prepared from one or more kind of meat, or by meat by product, containing various amount of water and seasoning, and usually cured. Okay, the sausage is a food usually made from the ground meat. Sometimes often use pork and beef, and along with the salt, spices, and other flavoring and preservating agents, okay, into the meat, and do the casking. Okay, the casking traditionally means they cover up the meat product in a particular, okay, just like if you do cover in that, normally we do the wrap the plastic wrapper, any kind of product to put in the fridge. Similarly, to put it in the for a longer way, they cover the meat product. Okay, so how they usually do that, earlier they use the intestine, okay, the part of the meat, okay, they used to do the as a casting. But after the making of the revolution, they use the edible plastic also. Different kind of casting are available. The sausage are making the traditional food preservation technique. Sausage may preserved by curing and drying, okay, so smoking or freezing. Okay, so means that kind of meat product which is are flavored and preservative added into that, and we do the casking, means we cover up the food to till we can use on later. Okay, so there are different types of sausages are available. Okay, the 5 types of sausage are available. The first one is the fresh sausage. They are made from meats and they don't have previously cured, means they just fresh sausage, they are made from the meat they had not been previously cured, means we never kind of preservative in that meat, that called a fresh sausage. Okay, they just immediately cooked before the eating. The cooked sausage, they are made with the fresh meats and then fully cooked, and they are either eaten immediately after cooking and must be refrigerated. Okay, means that we later on we can cook and refrigerate, that called a cooked sausage. Okay, adding in that sausage types of sausage, next is cooked and smoked sausage, mean they are cooked then smoked. Okay, so they are eaten hot or cold, and but now no need to be refrigerated. Okay, we can, after the cooking, we put in the smoking area, that can be get flavored and get cured by the smoke. Okay, fresh smoked sausage. Okay, they are fresh sausage that are smoked and that cooked to be should be refrigerated. Means after the immediately cooking, we put the in the smoking. Okay, means it's like when we do the giving the smoking flavor to the our biryanis or okay. So that's how they give same things is in a fresh smoked sausage, where they give after the immediately fresh sausage they give the smoke to that and then refrigerate. Okay, so that's how they call fresh smoked sausage. Dry and semi sausage, they are cured sausage that are fermented and dried. Okay, mean they are generally eaten cold and keep for long time. So these are the types of variety of the sausage. Now we will talk about the parts of sausage. There are three part of the sausage. First is the casking, means what are the wrapper, what are the cover we are using to cover the sausage. And second is the filling. Filling is the most important part, means what kind of meat we are using in that. And the additive and preservative means what kind of flavor we are adding into that, and what kind of how we preserving, what kind of preserving agent we add into that. So next is the casking. Their primary function is that of the hold the meat mixture, means to cover up that. Okay, they also have major effect of mouth feel. Okay, and appearance. The variety of casking are available. The natural casking means they are made from the intestine of animals such as hogs, pigs, okay, boar, sheep. The intestine are flushed clean, but especially they are from the inside and soaked in the solution of the chlorine to disinfect it. And them in the intestine have very contamination product, okay, of the animal. So that's how we put in the chlorine water, so totally we can disinfect the whole intestine and then we use in that. Okay, the blood vessels and fat killing inside of the casking must be removed. Natural casking should be not overhanded, means do not put the much pressure on that or try to do much more filling in that, because they are natural, so they can be punctured, means they can be spoiled. Okay, so cold fat or membrane like lining of stomach and also used in casting to make flat sausage or serpentine. Okay, the membrane in network like a spider web with a checks of fat. Okay, cold fat is ideal to wrap a fat uneven size of the sausage. The lolinka is the Greek sausage which is used the cold fat. Okay, the advantage of the natural casting. Okay, they are semi porous. Okay, the permitted deeper smoke penetration. When we do the smoking of the natural casking, going to be better deeper smoker, because the semi porous means they have a much more wider porous than others. Okay, natural casting absorb flavor, they have own flavor in that, and generally hold their shape in better way, so do not burst during the cooking. Okay, natural casking also are edible, so not to be peeled before the eating, means we can directly cook with the natural casking. Next is the collagen casking. They are edible casking, means it's just like in regular basis you see the capsule is the edible plastic we put into it, that but we don't get any hurt from the capsule. Similarly, collagen classic are the chemical, or you can say the substance chromy layer. Okay, the collagen, they are edible casking, they made from the head of the cattle, means the lower part of the cattle. So collagen obtained from the corium layer, that is situated under the skin of the animal. The fat and the flesh are removed and the hide, and it is split into two layers of the special equipment. The hide is used in the leather industry. Okay, so the collagen used from the corium is used to making a collagen casking. The material is the first ground, then swelled in the acidic medium, and then sieved and filtered into extruded casking. Okay, that's how the material for the collagen casking we get from the animal. Okay, so they can be manufactured in the size of may you require, and then consistent diameter means what kind of size we want to use, or and what kind of add portion we can going to add in that particular casking. They are also stronger and they are perfect for the using machine and commercial manufactured sausages. Okay, third is the fibrous cellulose casking. They are the product by the food processing industry, cellulose and the fiber is extracted from the husk and skin and the peels of the fruit and vegetables. Okay, during the processing stage they were processed further to make a casking, and this type of casking also referred as the peelable cellulose. Okay, the fiber adds to strength to the hold the force meat and then enable to handle the high temperature. Next is the protein line fiber cellulose casting. The protein line, as you can see, we use as a protein source as a casking. Okay, this casting ideal for the dried sausage. The protein lining casking to shrink as the meat is cooked and dried so that it is retain the shape. Okay, and the usual for mainly for the dry and semi-dry sausage, they need to be soaked in the water before the stuffing. Okay, protein tends to be stiffened during the storage, so that makes it easier to peel for the casting whenever the finished product going to be sliced. The fifth casting type is the plastic casting, which is recently become popular, which is cheaper, stronger, and any kind of size we can make from that plastic casting. That are the part of the casting, which is the part of the sausage. Now we talk about the filling, which is the most important part of the sausage, means that hold the meat component of the sausage. The variety of meat are used in the sausage making. Okay, it could be have a different flavor and texture and color in the product. Whatever meat product, whatever kind of portion of meat we are using in that, so we get different flavor and texture of the sausage. The lean meats make a largest proportion of the meat component, providing by the dominant character of the product. Means the sausage hold the lean meat product majorly. Okay, the color and the flavor and texture appearance further determine the meats. Okay, pork is the far most common and the popular meat for the sausage. Beef also going to be used in that sausage making, because it's a excellent binding properties meat, so that we can add the flavor and the preservative, so that hold the more flavor. Okay, the pork fat add to the taste. Okay, while we making the meat the pork fat add the flavor and the texture of the force meat. The jaw of fat is the obtained from the cheek of the animal. Okay, which is not normally 30% of the force meat. Okay, so variety meats of the offal are the carcass. Okay, means and we can be added into the force meat. Okay, the production of the sausage. Also that liver, kidney, and the heart also used in that making of the force meat, the making of the sausage. There are the different types of filling in the force meat used in that sausage. So first is the coarse mined force meat, which is not really totally ground. Okay, means this force meat contains tender and lean meat as well as fat in that mixture. Okay, the ratio of normally 3 parts of meat and 1 parts of fat. Okay, so that mixture coarsely ground, means that you can see the shredded quality in that. Okay, only good grade of meat are used in that. The salami is a good example of the type of filling, which is coarse means force meat. The cutter leveraged force meat, means what kind of filling we use. The cutter leveraged force meat. Force means related to the ground meat, or the meat can be chopped or ground. Okay, all types of sausage contain finely ground force meat, including the frankfurters, which is from Germany. This kind of it is the type of sausage. Okay, which is popular in the Germany. It's called frankfurters. And the cocktail sausage comes under this means they use the cutter leveraged force meat. The 5 parts of force meat and 3 parts of fat are using in that sausage. Okay, the combination of the force meat. So combination of force meat usually 1 parts of coarse force meat and 2 parts of cutter leveraged force meat. That's called the combination of the force meat, which is used in the making of sausage. So that's the pepperoni or chiplotas are the example of the combination of force meat which is used in the making of sausage. Chunky force meat. Okay, so chunky force meat is a type of filling the meat, fat, and left of chunks. Chunks mean there are the 1 part of the fat are usually used in that. Okay, and these are something used for the spicy South American sausage like chorizo. Okay, and then the Portuguese and Spanish are also prepared that chunky fresh force meat sausage. Okay, chunks means usually the carcass they use in that. Okay, they are meat and fried dried before the filled into the casking. And the first meat going to be a dry meat, we could be placed in the very dark room where they get dry, and that dry meat going to be a casking. So that count because drying give the hardness, okay, to that sausage, so that could be a chunky. So that is the varieties of force meat which we can say filling which is used in the sausage. The force meat is prepared, it is ready to filling into the casking and may be done in manually or by the machine process. We fill the filling in the casking, okay. Sausage filler machine something like mincing means machine which is a nozzle and the changeable diameter, means from one side we put the force meat into them, and the other side they have nozzle and we place a casking on that side, and that we fill the fillings or force meat. The casking then unrolls and it flips. The stapling machine come a stapler and separate the sausage, or what kind of sausage we try to make it out. Heat treatment is used to sealing in the process. After to seal the casking we use the heat treatment so that meat not come out, okay. Beside the meat which are traditional filling, also we use in that poultry, seafoods, vegetables, lentils also have been also introduced in nowadays. Additives and the preservatives for the third part of the making of sausage, okay. No meat ingredient of food item which are added to the filling before stuffing. They enhance the flavor and the color of the sausage. The water is usually added to the sausage, okay, during the blending stage, and it improves the mixing and the help to extract the protein from the meat. It is used to all sausage mixture, chill water and ice, okay, to mix to reduce the temperature of the force meat and prevents protein in meat, okay. And calculating means try to combine with while grinding. Curing agents are necessary, okay, to growth of bacteria which is the which is healthy bacteria which can cause to be death. The curing agent necessary to inhibit the growth of bacteria, okay, means which is going to be causes of the death, means the killing the bacteria so they do not strand your stomach do not get infected through that sausage, and improve the shell life of the sausage, okay. The curing accelerators such as the ascorbic acid, sodium hydrochlorate and citric acid used as the cured product which is used the cooked and fermented products, okay. Sensory enhancer means ascorbic acid, okay. Sensory enhancer are variety of that are used to enhance the flavor and the smell and the color of the sausage, okay. Salt is used to all sausage product to enhancement of the flavor and add the extraction of the protein from the meats. The sweeteners are often added to the force meat. The non-nutrient sweeteners such as saccharin and sorbitol added sweetness in add of the filling. The flavoring of sausage include spices, vegetables, milk, protein, yeast, extract. These are taste and increase the volume and act as the binder. Smoke contributes taste and the flavor. The smoke, whenever we do the smoke, it gives the smoky flavor to the sausage. MSG means the monosodium, okay, glutamate, also used to enhance that flavor of the sausage. Another sensory enhancer include just like bacteria culture enzymes, okay. They serve as a variety of purpose including flavoring, softening and the juicy retention of the sausage, and also used in the mostly in the commercial sausage. Stability after the extension and binder, the usually either animal based or the fermentation based or cereal based, okay. Or the stability enhancer use the product like the flavoring and the slow down the mold growth, okay. Some we will discuss about some famous sausage, okay. Earlier we discussed about the fillings, casking and the additive and preservatives which is the part of the sausage, okay. Now we will discuss some popular sausage from the countries, okay. The first is the French. In the French is the serpentine. Serpentine means going to be round in the shape, okay, and the flattened. So serpentine is a small flattened sausage, sometimes referred as a sausage parcel, okay. It is similar to shape to the sausage patty in a circular way. The flattened and made from the means ground pork and turkey, okay. Serpentine is wrapped in the caul fat, means the whatever casking we use in that serpentine, okay, the caul fat rather than the wrapped, okay. It is usually cooked with the outer coating, okay, with the bread and sauteed in butter. Another English sausage means the British sausage, the Cambridge and haggis. So haggis is the Scottish sausage which is on the used in the festival occasion, okay. It is the meat from the offal of sheep meat and goats, okay. The meat we use in the sheep and goats. And the Cambridge, which is English sausage, usually added the pork and the herbs and spices as a spices like the nutmeg and the cayenne pepper also. In the German, they are the Birkenstein's. There are German words, okay, so maybe kind of different to pronounce. The German sausage contain the ham, which is the part another with the pork, okay, the ham with the peppercorn and the pistachio, which is our nuts, okay. The black pudding or like a blood sausage, they are mainly version of this sausage, okay. They use the pig blood to make that sausage, okay. Bockwurst is the delicate flavor and the highly perishable German white sausage, which is contain the pork, veal and other flavor like the cheese, parsley, egg and milk. The Frankfurter, which is very popular from the German. The ancient hot dog is made from the lean pork and the finely ground, totally ground, and the small cocktail, which is okay. The Italian is very popular also. The pepperoni, the salami, the bologna are the proper sausage, very popular sausage from the Italy, okay. The salami is the vast range of using the many parts of the Italy, okay. So all the meat from the uncooked meat, which is made of the pork and beef, okay. The Spanish, they have the chorizo. Chorizo is made from the small pieces of the chopped pork and the fat and the peppers, okay. And earlier then pepperoni is the Italian sauce, okay. So Italian sausage. So these are the sausage from the particular comes like Italy from the salami, pepperoni, okay, bologna. The Spanish from the Jampon, coraggio, Frankfurter from the German, the Cambridge sausage from the Italy, British sausage, and the French they have the serpentine. So there are lots of products by the sausage. This is all about the sausage. In the next video, we'll continue with the charcuterie. Thank you.